My name's Tracy Wallace. I came here to learn about electric cars and because I'm considering converting a car that I own into an electric car. What I was hoping to learn was the process and how to evaluate if the vehicle I want to do was going to work. Was I going to be able to do it? How could I put it together and do a conversion? And what I got from the class is it seems quite simple, actually, simpler than I thought. It takes more effort in planning, but far less effort than I thought in the actual assembly and construction of the whole project. Well, I have a Porsche 911 it's a 76. I was thinking of buying a commercial electric car, and since Logan, he'd been talking to me a time or two about, maybe you ought to consider converting that to electric. Well, I gotta tell you, after taking this class, I'm sold on the idea. I'm gonna sell the high-performance engine out of it and use that to buy all the parts to convert it to electric. One thing I learned most from this experience with this test bench is the troubleshooting process for the EV motors. And honestly, I probably would have started throwing stuff in the car and trying to do it there and not actually built my system on a bench like this. Now I know the reality is build the system on the bench first, then put it in the car. If you have any interest in electric cars, or even if you don't want to build one, if you just want a better understanding of EVs and electric vehicles, take this class.